John Lee, Westy Window Wagon, new products from WCR. We've got a new product out from Unger. This is not necessarily a new product, but I would say more of an upgraded product from Unger. Basically what they've done with this new product or upgraded product from Unger is they've switched from a round T-bar to a flat pad holder, which seems to be a trend among the manufacturers now. It's really nice. It uses a strap, you can see that, to hold it on. And then additionally, it has Velcro. Instead of one Velcro strip, it has 4 strips, 2 on each side. These strips, you can see, along with the pad itself, does have the Velcro on the back. So you get double strength keeping the pad on there with the Velcro and the strips. This is really neat what they did with the Ergotech squeegee channel. Is they use almost like a water-fed pole clamp. You can see there, hopefully you can see that. It is a clamp that you release, which releases the Ergotech squeegee with the thumb release and the S channel. It's really nice. Typical Unger, very nice engineering. Then you have an Ergotech handle, which is ergonomic, great grip, fits the hand perfect for the scrubber. Now, like a lot of these 3-in-1 tools, it does have the option of wetting the window and squeegeeing the window, or even, one swipe. Then you can reverse the Ergotech squeegee. It slips down in a shaft, which has grooves cut out. You can see here, there's grooves on the shaft of the handle. Slides down in, and then you have the clamp, which has a little notch out of it, so you know when it's actually closed. Not only snap, but it has that little notch that lines up. I don't know if you can see that or not. So you have the option of pole work, where you'd wet the window, flip and squeegee. Simple, quick, pole work, wet, flip, squeegee. Or you also have the one pass. It slips back in. You do have to line it up into the shaft for it to slide back in. There we go. Snap it back. You heard it snap. And you have the one pass, where you can just make one pass with the squeegee. Which is really, in certain cases, that's a great feature, a huge time saver, for sure. You can see the design, as always, they make the rubber and channel just a little bit larger than the pad. Overall rating of this tool, haven't used it yet to clean windows, but I have used their previous tools, and it is a great tool. One thing I do like better about this one is more sturdier than the first version of this tool. It's just much sturdier in my opinion. The other ones seem to wobble more. In other words, the squeegee seemed to not fit as tight. on it. This is real sturdy. And it's a little more slimline too, I think. I think they made it a little more slimline, which is definitely the direction most of the manufacturers are going with these one pass, these all-in-one wet and squeegee tools that we're seeing coming out now. I guess I'd say the only thing I don't really like about it is the handle. It's not much of a handle, you know, for using this as a one-off tool where you would wet and squeegee. It may not have been their design. Not really sure, but that's the only, I would say, the only disadvantage I see in this product. Again, new tools from WCR and Westy Window Wagon. As always, feel free to hit me up. You can DM me, you can call me, you can text me. Everything's in the bio there to contact me anytime if you have any questions about new products from WCR. All right, so thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you with the next tool.